So, hello guys, it's me, Attachment Aditya as usual, and yeah, today we are doing Attachment Studio's code, and this is Visual Studio Code. But today it's not coding time; it's actually a basic time. So yeah, we are not going to do this today. Absolutely, yeah, this is quite satisfying, but never mind. So today we will be installing this thing. And yeah, for sure, I will try not to refresh much. So yeah, so your first step is that open Google because or any browser because yeah, obviously you need to install it and all that stuff. Now, secondly, go to love2d.org and then you have some options over here, pretty nice options. I guess. So if you are in what you say as Android or mobile devices, just go and download from Play Store or whatever is for Apple, and otherwise you can use these links. And yeah, if it's not possible, then Play Store link, Android link, and all other sources in description. You can also get the older versions, but I don't recommend because we will be using some newer versions. So yeah, I will be using installer, but you can use zips as well, because I already have love 2D, so I need to technically uninstall it. So this video is also about uninstalling them. Stay tuned if you want to know how to uninstall. So yeah, to know how to uninstall. Well, that's a bug. It's not commune. You serious? Okay, actually never mind. Just show in folder if possible. So yeah, here it is. Now, if you're using something like zips, then just right click. Yeah, it's right click. Let the menu open and then extract to love. Well, you can also select the other options, but I prefer extract to another folder, inside which another folder will be created. So yeah, and then to actually use it, you need to make a separate folder. In that folder, you need to make a Lua file. To make a Lua file, you can directly hack the computer like this, or go simply main dot lua. And yes, also notice that I have file extensions enabled, so that's another point. And when we go here, and if we don't want any console, so we can go ahead and do this, but this will not affect actually. Instead, you need to drag your folder with main.lua. It should contain main.lua and not main.lua itself. It's I don't know, it's just like that. So yeah, it'll take some time to start up, but yeah, because we coded nothing, it'll show us a blank screen, and that means it's successfully done. Now don't separate these things away. So yeah, now the next thing is that we need to uninstall it. For uninstalling it, we can actually simply just go ahead to our what is called as start menu or the source file, then go to love, open the love folder, if it works ever, and select the uninstall. Don't know why, but yeah, that is a simple step. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this or not. Maybe my screen recorder is um being something like crashed or something. Okay, it's definitely not. So it will uninstall from this site. You just need to click uninstall. Oh no, it was unintentional for sure. So yeah, now I can show you how to install it again from the installer. I know it's pretty useless. I don't know even you can hear me at this moment or not. But never mind. Here we have. So here's the location. Yeah, I'm installing 32-bit. And yeah, whatever. Well, you can see it's saying Lua, and that means it is Lua engine for sure. Lua, hashtag Lua. It will show you. Oh yes, it's it's like 8.8 MB out of 1.26 GB required. So definitely yes, you can do something like this, but no. And yeah, this will pretty much install it. And now you can just finish it. And whenever you just rename something like uh then you need to make sure to add an shortcut for that. So here it is. I will also show you the steps to make a shortcut. Let's just copy this name, and I will delete this permanently. Yeah, because it's not the site. Now for making a shortcut, new shortcut, and it will take you here or somewhere. Okay, type the location. It's something like C uh, program files. Just type in your location where you have saved at love. Okay, uh, slash guess I did something wrong, did I? Slash love slash love.exe or C love C, that means console. And yeah, now I'll just click next, control V because I want this name, and I will finish. Here it is, a love file. Done. And that's how to do it. Yeah, you have it. Now if you doubt something, then if you wonder if it works, then just go ahead, new folder, open the folder, make a new file. Just remember the steps how to do it. Name it me.lua only first, then other files. Then just type love.graphics.print, then strings, and then any random stuff. And when you open it, then if you see something, okay, sorry, I forgot, function love.draw and save, and then it will restart because it will not update directly. If you see the same text as this, then you are going correct, and your love has been installed successfully. So yeah, that's how to do it. And thanks, I hope I have not refreshed even once. Link for love2d.org in the description. I don't know why, but that's it. Also this, it's all coded by me. Yeah. And yeah, for sure I will be making a new game if you have read this ever, you can also see that a new game is being planned. And yeah, it's fake. This is true. The pricing is expected to be free. This might be true. I don't think this is happening ever. Well, maybe actually we should not mind that. But yeah, that's actually okay. This thing. Oh no. How did I? Is that a problem yet? Okay, it's the GitHub. Never mind, I will fix it later. Maybe. Okay, it's fixed now. Wow, I wonder what had happened. But that's it. That's it. That's it.